Hey everyone, I'm Rick and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of earbuds that don't deliver premium sound, let noise ruin your focus, or lack smart features for your on-the-go life, then get ready to be impressed because today we're exploring the JBL Tour Pro 3. These true wireless noise-canceling earbuds feature dual drivers for rich JBL spatial audio, adaptive ANC to block distractions, up to 40 hours of total battery life with the case, a smart charging case with a 1.45-inch touchscreen for quick controls, multi-point Bluetooth for seamless device switching, IP54 water resistance, and app personalization for EQ and more. Grab them on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want high-end audio with crystal clear calls, comfortable all-day wear, and tech that makes listening effortless, these are the earbuds that'll elevate your daily routine. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the JBL Tour Pro 3. These earbuds have a sleek, stem-style design that's lightweight and ergonomic, with 4 ear tip sizes for a secure, comfortable fit that enhances passive noise isolation. Sound is powered by dual 10mm drivers with JBL's Spatial audio tech, delivering immersive 360-degree soundscapes, deep bass, balanced mids, and sparkling highs that make music, movies, or podcasts feel alive, perfect for any genre. Active noise cancellation is adaptive and smart, using microphones to detect and cancel ambient noise in real time, with levels you can adjust from max to light, and a transparent mode to let in important sounds like conversations or announcements. Battery life is excellent, up to 10 hours per bud with ANC on, extending to 40 hours with the wireless charging case that supports keypads for cable-free top-ups. The case is a standout with its 1.45-inch color touchscreen that lets you control playback, switch ANC modes, check battery levels, or even customize wallpapers and find lost buds without your phone. Connectivity is via Bluetooth 5.3, supporting multi-point for connecting 2 devices at once, like your phone and laptop, with low latency for smooth video sync. Call quality is top-notch, with 6 beam-forming mics and wind noise reduction for clear voice transmission, even outdoors. The JBL Headphones app offers deep customization, spatial audio calibration, EQ presets like bass boost or vocal, touch gesture remapping, ANC fine-tuning, firmware updates, and a fit test to ensure optimal seal. They're IP54 rated for dust and water resistance, making them suitable for workouts or light rain. Setup is simple. Open the case, pair once, and the app guides you through personalization. Priced around $200 to $250, they come with a 2-year warranty and premium finishes in colors like black or silver. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are tuning up. Exceptional dual driver sound with spatial audio that immerses you. Powerful adaptive ANC that blocks out the world effectively. Long 40-hour total battery with fast and wireless charging. Innovative touchscreen case for convenient control. Secure fit with IP54 resistance for active lifestyles. Crystal clear calls with multi-point connectivity. And app features that make them highly customizable. Users rave about the 3D audio for movies, how ANC helps with focus during travel, and the overall premium feel at a reasonable price. On the con side, the buds are slightly bulkier than some competitors, which might feel noticeable in small ears. Bass can be overpowering for neutral listeners without EQ tweaks. No wireless charging for the buds themselves, only the case, and the touchscreen can drain case battery if used excessively. A few mention wishing for stronger water resistance, but overall, the pros dominate for tech-savvy users. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the JBL Tour Pro 3 if you need high-performance noise-canceling earbuds for music, calls, or entertainment. And the pros like spatial audio, adaptive ANC, and the smart case make sense for you. They're perfect for professionals, travelers, or anyone wanting earbuds that combine sound quality with smart convenience. Before we wrap, if these reviews amp up your audio game, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a buddy who needs better earbuds, or subscribe for more. See you next time.